Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, power sunroof, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.